loading. Palm nuts.
Yo. Marty. Yo. Miss Okoji is coming.
I'll put that bro.
I was thinking, you know, I did the only thing I buy for it. I didn't be imagining in our say.
It's so many. Let me give it, bro.
Mami tem tudo dentro. Michael. Qual a bebida pra má? Me tem a sua pé. Lá. Tá pé, bebeu pra lá. I know. Aqui, aqui. I'm telling you. I'm sure I do. Papa.
Food is ready.
Alright. It's not that serious. It hasn't gotten to that level.
Me, I'm just telling you. So it won't be like I didn't tell you because I don't want anybody coming to scatter our shoots.
I know. Nobody's going to come and scatter any shoots. Funke, honestly, Vivian treats her mother horribly. Like the last time I was at their place, the woman cannot even on ordinary air conditioner because she's scared of her daughter.
That's extreme.
Yes. That's the problem. So I just want to show her some love. And at the end of the day, have a nice package for her. At least support her business when she's going home.
Aww. That's so thoughtful of you. And that's why I love you.
Thank you so much. So yes, that one is very exciting. So what else?
Okay, now.
For the exclusion of all that. My father was a cobbler. Died when I was young. Opened a shop. He was a simple man. He made simple shoes. But I felt that the more work I put into my shoes, the more people wanted. Fine leather, ornamentation, detailing, and time.
The relief. Oh my God. See how relieved I am. My head was banging. See. Well, see. How will someone think properly when this is on the person's head? How will we think properly? Women, we like suffering ourselves too much. A man will be free walking. No, no braids. Rasta man for me, bro. Wow, see. How can someone think properly with this on the head? Are they?
Men died trying to rescue you.
Look how free I am. I'm going to wash it. And I'll go and cut it. I'm not listening to anyone, Charlie. Doing what pleases me. I was having this headache, this serious headache. This one, you see the cut I'll make. Look at pan. Fam, I want to go and see if I can make my hair in a couple of days. It's Essie's baby's naming. Yeah, Bojiemo. Vihedego. I learned that in school. So naming ceremony, Essie is about to name her new baby, a newborn baby. Baby is, I think, 2 months, Anna. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So I want to go and see if I can take my dress from the seamstress and make this hair. Fam, this cap, you see this cap? It's a lifesaver. Look at my hair. It looks like baller. I want to go to the barbering shop to cut it and give it a new look. You see it? The way I'm happy in this naming ceremony. Charlie. Hey, I have this strong headache this morning. I don't know why my head is aching like that. But the chair everywhere I step is mud. It has been raining, so it is muddy. Everywhere is muddy. You know, this headache is killing me. Oh. So I want to go and cut this hair and make a new style. I want to buga for that occasion. The way I'm happy, I can't wait to go for that naming ceremony. I can't wait, cry, Charlie, to buga. I go buga la, Charlie. Hey, let me go to the station and pick a car. Oh, my head. I'll catch you later. I now understand the statement or the phrase or the whatever. Man proposes and God disposes. Fam, I couldn't make it to the naming ceremony. Like, I am so angry. All the plans I made towards this naming ceremony, like I was so eager to be there. I wore my dress. I closed from work. Wore my dress, about to go. And I just received a call that I have an emergency meeting to attend. And I can't tell you about that meeting because it's confidential. Yeah. When the right time comes, I'll share it on this channel. That'll be a little late to cry. But it's something good. Yes, it's something good. And I had to be there urgently. Fam, the meeting was supposed to start early so that I'll close and hurry to the venue of the naming. Fam, I sat there for hours. The people told me they were coming. I was sitting there looking at my time. I wanted to jump into the ocean and die, because at that moment I didn't want to be there, and I had planned on going for my baby boy's naming. I was so sad. And AC and I kept chatting on WhatsApp. She was asking me, where have you reached? Are you coming? And I'm like, I felt so bad telling her I won't be able to come because of this. Oh my God. Hey. Oh. It's so sad. AC, sorry, Wati. I really wanted to be there, and the meeting was very important. I wish I could have, forfeited that meeting and come to your naming, but I couldn't, and I know you understand. But I'm glad baby boy has been named. I can't mention the baby boy's name here because I'm not allowed to. Yeah, and I don't know if I can mention it. No, but I don't know if AC will mention the baby's name on her channel. So maybe she will mention it on her channel, or maybe not. It's none of our business anyway. So I want to end the vlog here. I'm still having this strong headache, like half of my head. Like, this migraine is killing me softly. It's as a result of lack of sleep. That's my problem now. I need to sleep. Whenever I don't sleep, I get this spiking headache, and it's serious, seriously. One day I'll run away from this place and go and hide somewhere and sleep. Thank you once again for watching. I'll see you in my next video.